Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to screen record on an iPad. Now I am using a 6th generation iPad on iOS 15 in this video. The default setting does not have screen recording easily accessible. So you'll need to navigate to the settings icon on your iPad. Click on the settings icon and then scroll down to where under General you see Control Center. Now in the Control Center you need to add screen recording to your included controls. So scroll down until you see Screen Recording. It's a little red box that has a circle in it, and go ahead and click on the green plus sign on the left. Now that you have screen recording in your included controls, you can go ahead and go back to the home screen by clicking on that circle button on your iPad. Now you'll want to swipe down right from the right corner of your screen, and this is going to give you your control center. You should now see the screen recording icon, which is a little circle dot at the bottom of this screen. You can go ahead and now click on that, and you'll notice it'll give you a 3-second countdown. And now you are recording. You'll notice it's screen recording because on the top right corner of your screen, you will see a red dot that tells you that it's screen recording. Now, if at any point you want to stop screen recording, you can swipe down right again and then go ahead and click on the screen recording icon that is blinking. Now, a few more things to note with screen recording on an iPad. This is the same if you're doing it on an iPhone. Is if you hold down the screen recording before you start broadcasting, you'll see that you have the option to turn your microphone on. Now, a lot of people forget this, so if they would like to grab a screen recording demonstrating something on your iPad or showing something, and you want to include your voice, you will need to make sure that you hold down on that button to where you'll see the microphone on or off. And if you'd like to turn it on, you simply click on the microphone. Now, if I'm screen recording, you'll see the 3-second countdown again. And now anything that I'm capturing on my screen is grabbing my audio as well. I hope this video was helpful for you in learning how to screen record on your iPad. If this video was helpful for you, please go ahead and like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things tech tips. Catch you in the next video.